Good morning, fifth graders. We are going to draw our hand and make different kinds of lines inside of them to decorate. I'm going to show you a few examples of fifth grade work. There's one by a fifth grader. So we're basically going to trace our hand in black, and then we're going to fill in all these details of different kinds of lines inside of them. You can fill in some space, that's fine. You can put jewelry on here, that's fine. But any kind of patterns and decoration will work on this hand. Let me show you another fifth grade work. Here's another one. Wow, there's the thick and thin line over here. There's the checkerboard pattern. And this kind of crisscross and diagonal lines are really nice in here. Dotted lines in here. Here's another one by a fifth grader. And that filled up that space very nicely. Very inventive over here. So whatever you like to do to decorate and color in, you can do so here. These look like bubbles coming in with these curvy lines, broken lines, zigzag. I mean, they're all here. And here's yet one more example of a hand very well done. You can see there's stuff underneath it, wavy lines in these little diagonals. Very, very nice way to do it. Good job, the fifth graders. You can even put nails on these too, on the fingers, and decorate fingernails. That'd be kind of cool. All right, but before we get started, I want you to see some real art. Not that your art is not real, but here's a person's silhouette, and look at the line patterns that are on here. This really helps us look at something very differently. It's not just a person with a hoodie and a scarf over her face, but it is definitely, we can really feel those lines that are on the patterns of the clothes. So patterns and lines are hugely important in art. So we're not looking at the person, we're looking at the shape, and we're looking at the decorations and the effects that it has. Let me show you one more here of a modern sculpture. Oh my, it is a person kneeling, as you can see. It is a person's head, and then it's kneeling. This is a sculpture that's outside, and look at the decorations. There's even numbers in here, and maybe letters, but it's all filled in. Again, it is about the decoration. We know that it's a figure, but the decoration is what makes it really artistic looking. All right, so that's the point of that. Sometimes they call this the Zentangles, and that's fine. All right, so we're going to start with our marker, our black marker, and we're going to outline our hand. Make sure that marker is straight up and down, because if you go like this, it's going to put a mark on your hand and you're tracing it, and that's what will happen. All right, so be very careful. It could be this way, it could be coming in sideways, whichever way you want to. All right, so I'm going up and down, and I am tracing. I got my hands anyways. My fingers. I can always wash my hands afterwards. The markers are washable. And I'm going to do my thumb. And there is my hand. All right, now you can put your ring on there, whichever way you want to. I always start with the nails. You can put nails. You don't have to if you don't want to. Those of you who want longer nails, you can. So it's like, well, Mr. Story, that's in the way. Watch me make a long fingernail and then just camouflage my fingernail right in there. Pretty neat, huh? So any which way you can start with your project. You can make them all long, or you just make them short. Now I'm going to start with that diagonal pattern, because I think that is really super cool. And I start decorating my hand. Here's my diagonal going the other way. And yes, if I want to, I can go right in here and do this other pattern in here. You can do checkers by darkening some of them. Isn't it? This is just really cool to do these kind of patterns. I'm going to put stripes in here for this one. So there's how I start. Now I can make wavy lines. The more closer they are, the better, tighter the pattern it is. And Look at that. I'm not sure where this is going, but I started off wavy, but now it's going straight. Oh well, that's kind of cool. This could be my polka dot nail. So basically that's what you're doing. Just black and white and decorating. When you are done, we're going to go ahead and color this in. Let's pretend that this is all filled in. So you can go ahead and with crayons, go right on top of your marks. It won't hurt your marker because crayons are much softer. And you can start coloring in the entire hand. All right, that's at the end. It may take 2 weeks to do this, so I want you to take your time, color it in as nice as you get it, because you know your art grade is about coloring also. The difference between an A and an A+. So good luck. Fill the whole hand up, and then at the very end, you're going to practice doing your name in a fancy way, as artists do. There's my famous signature, and 2020 is the year. So good luck. Upload it in a video to your studio and let me see how you did it, what you did. And if you really like drawing, you can just decorate all kinds of ways in here. All right, good luck with it, and see you for the next lesson. Bye.